And it's an honor to be hanging out with so many amazing friends as well. Oh, the mustard oil.
Wow. Shrimp. Oh my God.
Run.
This is like. Man.
Wow.
This is awesome.
Yeah, nice. Huge shrimp. Wow.
Awesome.
This is the Hilsa?
Yeah, this is the Hilsa.
So the first thing that you come here to do is choose your fish, and they also have giant river prawns. Okay, and this is the national fish of Bangladesh. This is loved by everyone. It's so silver in color. It just actually kind of shines. The fish has been cut up. We're moving over to the kitchen now, where they're gonna start mixing up the spices, the mustard oil, and then we're gonna fry them in the mustard oil. Dump it out the oil. So talk about a pro tip here.
Yeah, the pro tip is here to bring your own oil.
Bring your own oil to the restaurant.
The oil you want your fish to be fried.
And not only the fresh oil, but the fragrance, the strongest fragrance of the mustard oil, which you want for your fried hilsa. It's not only us. I saw like most people bring their own oil.
Yes.
So turmeric, chili powder.
This is like their pro technique. Mixing.
Basically, everything gets a marination, a sprinkle of salt, turmeric, and chili powder. He just stirs that up, shakes that up so it coats evenly over the fish, and then it's fried into the mustard oil. And those bubbles, they smell so good. That mustard oil is so fragrant.
Paste. এটা কিসের পেস্ট? এটা মশলার পেস্ট। স্পেশাল আলাদা। স্পেশাল আলাদা।
Secret paste.
Yeah. এই যে রাখলাম ওই।
Oh, he just sprinkled a handful of dried chilies on it. Oh, that's beautiful. The aroma's out of control, man. And he just sprinkled on a whole handful of fried chilies, of dry chilies, which instantly fry in that so fragrant mustard oil. What a food experience. So that's ready?
No, they will now.
Oh, they'll mash that one.
Yeah, actually they
will make veg bhatta.
Oh, he's adding on the fish eggs too. Oh, again, that same paste of turmeric, chili, salt. And that's gonna, he just slides in another batch. Oh, we're getting splashed a little bit. Man, I feel like I'm taking a bath in mustard oil right now. So they're gonna make eggplant the same way? Fire, yeah. The same thing for the shrimp, except they were marinated in an extra paste Those are gonna get fried, shallow fried in mustard oil as well. Oh, wow.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Nice.
Literally a bucket full of chopped onions and chilies. He marinated in the same spices, turmeric, salt, dry chili, dumps that into the mustard oil, and he's gonna caramelize those until they're crispy and then put it on top as a topping for the fish. That smells unbelievable. Oh, wow. So we've got one more dish that they're gonna make with the tails that they already fried and set aside, and they're gonna make a special dish with them. That's awesome. It's an actual cup and just smashes the fish, mashes it down until that center bone comes out. He's trying to clean out the bigger bones and just like until the fish flakes apart. But what a move. Onions, salt. Good. He approved the taste. Yes. Oh, he makes it into a ball.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, if things could not get better, he makes it into a ball. This is amazing. Oh, green chilies in this one. Chef's approval. Chef's approval. Ball technique. He just balls it up.
This is going to be onion.
Onion butter.
এটা একটা লেবু
Lemon juice.
সরিষার তেল এক নম্বর ঘাটি ঘানি বাগানের সরিষার তেল ঠিক আছে
And then the final one he's making is just like a straight up onion ball. Chopped onions, green chilies, lime, red powdered chili, oil holding it together. Tomato one. Oh, one more. One more ball with tomatoes.
ধনিয়া পাতা সরিষা মরিচ ঠিক আছে
With achar in it, yes. Just a handful of achar, yes.
এটা একটা লেবু খাইলেই ভালো লাগে এটা সরিষার তেল ঠিক আছে খাইলেই ভালো লাগে যে একবার
He's been making these balls for 22 years. That is mastery.
আমাদের সব খাবার চলে আসছে
All the food is ready?
Yeah.
And it's an honor to be hanging out with so many amazing friends as well. There's a mountain of the Hilsa. We've got all the heads, we've got the eggs, we've got the eggplant, we've got the prawns, and those balls. That's amazing. Botas. The whole process, the entire process of the meal, frying all of the fish. It's so unbelievably fragrant.
This is the Hilsa bota.
The Hilsa bota. The Hilsa bota. So bota is a common thing, made with many different varieties. Ah, okay.
Try the, the oil.
That's the fish oil plus the mustard oil plus all the turmeric, which is just saturated into it. Oh man.
You have to pour it over.
Pour it over the fish?
Yes.
Oh, the rice.
All the rice, yes.
Wow. That is the move right there. Let's try that. Mix and smash.
Mix it.
Mix and smash technique. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, the mustard oil.
Yeah.
That immediate fragrance. Oh, and the richness of the fish oil as well. Oh, it's good.
It's good.
The fried chilies in there too. They're crispy and so just aromatic. Yeah, it's awesome. Amazing.
We love this.
So this is like one of the favorite meals of many people.
Yes.
Okay.
This is our national fish.
National fish.
Yeah.
National meal.
National meal.
This is the national meal right here.
Yeah, we. Mache bhate Bangal.
So rich and so succulent. The chilies. Okay, I'm moving into the next bota,
Bota, yeah.
which he just like he smashed with the cup. Oh, this one has even more of a mustard flavor maybe. It's more pronounced, more pungent.
Oh.
I love the crunch of those
It's good,
onions.
right?
It's awesome. So you always start with the vegetables and then move into the lighter dishes.
Exactly.
Then move into the heavier, meatier dishes, okay?
These are like starters for us.
All right. And so the same thing, you just kind of mix in also?
You have to smash it with the rice.
You smash it, the eggplant
Same
also?
technique.
Yeah, same
Smash
technique.
it, smash it into the rice.
It's always
It's
the
all
same.
about
Smashing.
smashing.
Yeah.
Smashing and mixing.
Smash that like button.
Yes. Oh, it's so smoky and so creamy.
yeah.
Yeah. And it's just absorbed, that fish oil, that mustard oil. We toss these in the same spices, the turmeric, salt, red chili, and then just that oil.
Now
Now we're moving on to the fish, okay. We've worked our way up.
There are some bones.
All right, be careful of the bones. Okay, sure. Sure. Okay, so you take some of the fish.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yes. It's buttery and like it has a fattiness to it, and yet at the same time it's a little bit stringy. It has a unique flavor.
yeah.
Exactly.
It has a unique flavor that's
Same-
unlike any other fish.
Like
Yeah.
any other fish.
How often would you normally come here?
I came here
Often?
regular.
We came here very often.
Very often. Okay.
It's one of our best hangout places. Because in
okay.
Dhaka, we have restaurants and everything. We do not get that much free time to hang out with friends. So this is a very good place to drive away and have some good food with friends.
Because it's like a whole trip to come here.
Exactly. It's
Some
a
relaxing,
whole day
a little bit
trip.
of. Okay, and we're next to the river as well, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
right.
So much.
Oh, look at it.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Oh, it's huge, and you can just, all of that flavor has just caked up onto it. Oh, that paste that they've added. They added on a secret paste to it as well,
secret
right?
paste, yes.
Oh yeah, not only those spices, but the secret paste. A little bit garlicky, I think.
Yes. So good, right?
So good. I think we're just gonna sit here and feast and just enjoy the rest of this evening. And by the way, we're not just eating like a 7 p.m. dinner right here. It's 1 a.m.
Yes.
This is a 1 a.m. meal.
Late night food.
Yeah, the onions. Yes, I love the botas. Okay, that's good. Which adds so much flavor to everything. Oh, and I love these fried chilies in here too. Every now and then you'll just crunch on one and it just bursts with flavor.
What we call rasgulla.
Grab one.
Do we squeeze?
Squeeze.
Squeeze. And go. Wow, that one is like cheesy.
Yeah, cheesy.
Yeah, feels like a ball of sweet mozzarella, but but that's more spongy and fluffy
yes.
and lighter. Wow, that is unique.
Unique.
It's good. It's really good. Yeah.
It is spongy misty.
The balls. Yes.
Oh. Finish.
Finished.
When you start eating, you can't stop. You can't stop.
Actually, Joe. না এটা হাত দিয়ে খেতে হবে
What's the name of this restaurant? When you come to Mawa.
Mawa.
Nilara. This is the spot, and they will serve you the best Hilsa